Hi kaibigan, in this video I will show you what I eat in a day as a vegan or taong gulay lang ang kinakain, as they say. So to start, I will eat a fruit or any fruit on hand before my exercise. So in this case, before a bike ride.
That's good.
After my bike ride, I make my staple breakfast, which is smoothie and oatmeal bowl. Yes, I do them both. So for today's bowl, we have some chocolate smoothie, some plain oats, topped with mangoes, cacao nibs, homemade granola, and a dollop of peanut butter. For lunch, I decided to make an all-veggie sandwich. Puro gulay nga, diba? Kidding aside, this is such a filling and satiating meal. That's my tip for you guys. Eat enough so it will be easier for you to stay vegan. Always busog. So for snack, I had this black bean field bun. Dinner time, I'll show you how I cook my sweet potato or kamote. So wash and peel them, or in my case, I didn't peel them. I just cut them straight away, half-inch thick. I like them plain, but you can season them with some vegetable spice and some smoked paprika. Using your trusty non-stick pan, set in medium-high, cook your sweet potato. Lay them flat and sprinkle some water. And cover. Turn the heat to low. After 5 minutes, you can flip them over and cover it again. Use a fork to test if the sweet potatoes are cooked. And there you have it. So I usually eat this with some lettuce, some greens. I drizzle some barbecue sauce, and that's it. Dinner done. Thanks for watching.